Today is a new day. Got off work early and I was like, damn, you know what I should do? You know what I should really do? I should do my oil change. So what it do? We're back in the fucking product vehicle, company vehicle right now. Me, start honking already, right? Bati bati. I like totally forgot to mention. I really forgot to mention. We both forgot to mention what the fuck's going on with this video right now. So what's about to happen is it's our cousin's birthday, so they're doing a drive, and yeah, let's get it. We're gonna start honking right about. Where the fuck's Jess at? Where the fuck's Jess at? Yeah, out there, she fucking missed the whole thing. Goes on, bitch, we're going around again, pocket. Wrap it up. Hey, taquilo, homie, it's a little loud, fool. Highway. Hey, that a D6? Yeah. He's like, yeah, I want to run it. What was that supercharger do to him? You don't want it, bro. Be like, back again. How do you fail at a fucking parade, right? Like, supposed to, like, everyone, like, it's never, you're supposed to not fail. We fucking failed at a parade, guys. Bro, I don't know how this happened. This is what 2020 consists of, a bunch of bullshit. I just want to get off, sit at some tables, you know what I'm saying? Like a regular birthday. Can't even do that. Yo, airbag goes off. Guys, now we're probably gonna head back to my crib. First, we're gonna put the oil pan drain plug on, and then we're gonna put some oil in that thing, and then we Gucci. I think that's pretty much it. Just got in there, buddy. Home Depot special. You ain't know how to fuck this, dude. Have the oil. Fun looking stuff in there. Here we are. Fucking Pans oil. Fucking dump it all. Fucking got like 2.5 quarts in that bitch. Alright, whoa, fuck it up, dude. It's the last little bit. You gotta. Hey. Take it easy. Hey, bro. Hey, I wonder why everyone's talking about you're too fast, bro. Bro, hey. Why are you fucking cheating, bro? You know, you just fucking leave it outside the house like that, bro. It is what it is, man. Aw, motor chingas. Being on my own, where it all began. Standing deep in the master room, all out, where it all began. Standing deep in the master room, all out. Laying on you. Bro, right here, fire. So, I created this drink. I created it I'd say about a month ago.
Stop the cap.
It's called Crown Royal Vanilla
with root beer. This shit right here, fire, I guarantee you. Try it. Everyone go out and try this shit. We're at Twin Peaks. I know they have it at Twin Peaks for sure.
Alright, yeah. It's that Mercil type shit. Okay, let's get it. My pockets both deep like a scene.
Want some of this shit with sour cream? I don't even like sour cream.
My style to switch lane. I'm a big dog, I got big fame. I'm lit up, I'm serving, got lock jaw. Why can't he look like some pop rock? 2 piece and 1 and no pop. Calling my shooter, say bop. Shit make you sweat like a sauna. Trump really gave all these boys a look comma. Dump up the mound, I brought up the sled. No mirror, can't see him too far behind us. Get money for bitches, ball out with the team, that's a model. Mercil a bad influence, he move model. Feel like some trash, but my bank at the lotto. Pick up my bitch, now she ride me full throttle. Son of a bitch, now I catch me my rent. Making this dough, myself baking her bread. I'm picking up crunk, cause this bread is still bread. Watch what she say, cause it let make you dead. Just how I lean, just how I walk. Pull it times 3.
I have no patience for anybody that doubts me. None. At all. It's too hard out here. You know what I'm saying? If my people don't stand up for me, who is?
Sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, you too much.